The United States Mint said American Gold Eagle coins sold at $62,500 for January. Here to talk about that with us is Ed Moy, former U.S. Mint Director and Chief Strategist at Morgan Gold. Ed, thanks so much for being here.
Yep, and that great introduction is not going to get you a free sample of gold today.
Well, I didn't assume it would, but Ed, we saw the highest purchasing of those gold coins from the U.S. Mint since April of 2013. What's that say to you?
It says a couple things. First of all, it is a nice bump in sales, which indicates that the demand in the existing market is exhausting the existing market, so the Mint has to make new coins to supplement that market. So it indicates a greater interest in physical gold. Second, it still falls behind the normal Mint production. So at its peak, the Mint made 1.4 million ounces. At this rate, it's going to make between 700,000 and 900,000 ounces this year, which is still better than the Mint at steady state. You know, economy with no risk, we're probably selling 200 to 300,000 coins a year. So.
Yeah, so let's look at the whole of 2014 compared to maybe 2013. What are you expecting in gold coin sales here in the U.S.?
Yes, so I think January is kind of an odd number because a lot of collectors want to buy the coin when it first comes out. So you normally get a typical boost in January, but these are such strong numbers. I suspect that gold will end up probably in the 750 range, 750,000 units sold by the United States Mint by the end of the year, which is a good year.
Yeah, and despite all the analysts out there saying that 2014 will be a tight trading range in terms of the price of paper gold, do you think we'll still see a lot of support come in because of physical gold sales?
Yeah, you'll see that in the United States, but you're going to see it more in the Eastern Hemisphere. Both India and China have now supplanted the United States as the top gold buyers in the world. And the numbers for China in 2013 showed 1,000 tons of gold sold in China, which makes them now #1 in the world.
All right, Ed Moy, as always, great to have you in studio.
Good to have you, Joe.
That's Ed Moy, former U.S. Mint Director for TheStreet. I'm Joe Deaux.